What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to this POV review by Autotop.nl. My name is Max and I'll be taking you around this car today. And why today? Well, because it's beautiful. Yes, it is. It's like 20 degrees, lots of sun. Oh, I'm falling. And well, we thought let's take an M240i convertible out today. And well, it has had a facelift, of course. The 2 Series, we already drove the M2 facelift, so if you want to know more about the 2 Series facelift, click up here to watch that video. And today I'm going to just take this car for a nice drive around this road. Just enjoy it because it's a beautiful spec. I have to say kudos to whoever spec'd this car, because it is sapphire black with brown top with silver effect, so there's a sort of a glow which is really nice, and it has Dakota leather in cognac. I really love this combo. I think that black with that leather and the top, it's just really nice. And it also has M striping on the seat belts. We also have these M Sport wheels, 18-inch. I think this is a new design as well, in a bi-color setup with black. Really cool. Just a quick refresher on what has changed on the facelift of the 2 Series. It has new front and rear light units, and it has a new instrument cluster and the new iDrive system on the inside. Interior has been changed a little bit to make it a bit more modern, and that's about it. There wasn't really a lot to change, of course. This is a really nice car already. M Sport exhaust. You can recognize that looking at those black tips. M240i logo. Yeah, it is a really cool car, I think. Let's pop the hood. Oh, you have to do it twice. And let's check that engine out. BMW M Performance, 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo, B58 engine. You know all about it, you know we love it. With 340 horsepower and 500 Newton meters. Is that closed? No, it's not. Alrighty, let's open the roof. Get that top down. There's the sun. Lovely. Takes about 20 seconds to open the roof. You can do it up to 50 kilometers an hour, I think. There it is. And let's have another look-see. I mean, that's a handsome convertible, I think. You know, the windows should be down, but for the review with the camera and the mic, it's better if they're up. But I think that's a really good looking car. There it is. I mean, how cool is that? That's a really nice little cruiser. It's not a real M car, it's an M Performance car, so it's not super hard, super stiff, super aggressive. It's just nice and quick. Yeah, I really like it. Alrighty, let's take it for a drive and see what it's like. Well, we know what it's like, but let's just see how nice it actually is to drive this car with this weather around these roads. Windows up. Start it up. And the real BMW driver, of course, immediately turns off traction control. DSC off, sport display, and put this in sport mode as well. All right. So you really hear that exhaust rumbling away. Let's go right here. So we really know this car well, we know this engine really well, and it just never disappoints. It doesn't matter in what car this engine is, it's just always so nice to drive. And well, this convertible is not any different. Nice crackles from the exhaust. I think we're actually going to turn around here. It's a bit busy. So while I'm waiting, no, I'm not waiting anymore. Here we go, little U-turn. Woo! Oh yes, these cars are so much fun. Let's start with the M240 as a driver's car, because it is incredible. We really love it. It's just below the M2. It has a different engine, and well, this engine is just more torquey and more smooth than the M2 engine, I think. This also has 35 Newton meters more than an M2. An M2 has 370 horsepower and 465 Newton meters of torque. This, as I said, 340 horsepower, so 30 horsepower less, but 500 Newton meters, 35 Newton meters more. And that means that it's not that much slower than an M2. Yes, it's less aggressive, and of course, because this is a convertible, it's a lot less stiff as well. But it sounds really good, and it's also the most powerful convertible you can get in this setup. A little bit of understeer there. As I said, this is the most powerful 2 Series convertible you can get. There's no M2 convertible. And I think that's a good thing, because I don't think you want a convertible M2. I mean, that would be just too stiff, too hard, too aggressive. This is really nice, and you can actually feel that this car is a lot more sort of loose than a coupe M240i. You just feel it immediately when you start driving it, because you don't have that roof. Yeah, it's just less rigid than a coupe. And it's also heavier than a coupe, about 145 kilos. So it is less sporty than a coupe, but it is, you know, this is more a fast cruiser, and it really excels at that, I think. You can also get a limited slip diff on this car. That's an optional extra. We don't have it today, so yeah, don't really care about that in a convertible, to be honest. It's still a lot of fun, despite the absence of a limited slip diff. Performance wise, this car weighs 1595 kilos, and it does 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. Let me just do a little launch control in the tunnel here. Sport, this in sport as well. Brake, launch control. 4.7 seconds to 100 kilometers an hour, and that's a 10th slower than the coupe. So let's turn off the traction control again. There it is. Turn around. Turn around. There we go. But the sound, I mean, it's just, that is really nice. I really like the fact that you get that 6-cylinder sound, which is really nice, and then you get some rumbles from that exhaust. it's just a really fun little package. You can recognize the M240i by looking at all those details in the front bumper, around the grille, the mirror caps, stuff like that. It's all in ferric gray. That's that sort of titanium gray color, which gives the car an own look. Really recognizable. Of course, we've seen a lot of M Performance cars now, so you know when you see one, that's an M Performance one. I think they did that very well. I have to be honest with you, this is not really my type of car. I'm not really a convertible guy, and I think that, you know, with a sports car like this, going to a convertible, losing that rigidity in the chassis, it's just not ever going to handle as well as the coupe. So yeah, that would always be bugging me if I would have bought this car. But that said, every time I drive one of these, I think, well, it is kind of fun, and it is entertaining, and I think that's really important in a car. I know that a lot of people are always focused on numbers, kilos, seconds, newton meters, horsepower, but let me assure you, fun is just as important, maybe even more important. I mean, check that out. Ooh. Seriously, this is so much fun. Little understeer, little throttle. Oh, this car is so easy. It's so easy to play with. It's very predictable. And that's really important in a car like this. It's not bite your head off aggressive like the M2. It's much more friendly. And I really like that character of this car. It is also more friendly than an M240 coupe, because it is less rigid, because it is softer, more aimed at comfort and sort of a GT character. Bit too far there. Okay, so I'm going to end it here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can also check out this video of an Audi S3 convertible, sort of a competitor. You can check that out and make your mind up about which one you would prefer. You can also subscribe by clicking the big button right here, and you can check out this POV Reviews playlist. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you at the next one. Bye.